So over here, you can see that I have some color swatches just like this. I can also go around and define a new color swatch. Let's say, for example, I have this orange right here. So let me just go around over here and then define a new color swatch right here and name it orange. So let's say I want to go ahead and then save out this color swatch right here as a file so that I can import it into another project or share it out with others. In that case, you can go around and click on the down arrow button right here. And then what you can do is you can export as ACO, as you can see right here. So once you go around over here, you can simply go around and select the place where you want to save it out. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go to my TuTube drive and then save it around right there. So now on the other project right here, so you can see that right now this is the swatch. Let me just go around and refresh Photopea out right here and create a new file right here just like this. So under the swatches you do see the main colors, but let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and then delete this out. So let's just go around and delete this, and I don't have it anymore. So here in case you want the same colors once more, you can go around and click on the down arrow right here, and then you can go around and click on open ACO. So once you go around and do that, you can navigate around to the folder where you have saved your ACO file right here. And let me just go around and search for swatches right here just like this, swatches.aco. You can simply go around and select it right here just like this and click on open, and the swatches gets loaded up, as you can see right here just like this. So this is what you have, and then I only selected out one swatch, so only one swatch was there. But let me just go around and add in other swatches as well. So let's just go around and create a new swatch right here. So let's just define a new swatch right here just like this, and I'm going to go around and define a new swatch right here just like this as well, and this is what you have. So I can go around and select all of these by holding Control, and I can go around and then export as ACO right here just like this, and I'm simply going to save it as swatches 1. That's it, just like that. So now what I can do is I can go ahead right here and delete this out right here, and now you can go ahead and then import it out. So I'm going to go around and open this out right here just like this, and then let me just go around onto swatches. So let's just go around over here and then go for swatches ACO right here, and all of the 3 swatches that I selected is imported once more, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and export and import out color swatches inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.